Court bars Wike, others from Abuja disputed land. Announced in the news they follow, an Abuja High Court has given an order of interim injunction restraining the Minister of Federal Capital Territory (FCT) Wike and others from selling a landed property. Imagine, you're collecting land and you're selling it, so they have to bar you from doing that. They have to restrain you from doing that. This man, hey, now what for him? Justice Mohammed Zubairu made the order following an ex parte motion moved by counsel to the applicant Ruben Atabo San. Although the motion ex parte marked M/16807/2024 was moved by Atabo on Monday, a certified true copy was made available to News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) on Tuesday. Justice Zubairu, who is a vacation judge, held that he was inclined to grant the application as prayed in the interest of justice and the spirit of fair hearing. The interim order of injunction is to last for a few days, pending when all parties are served and appeared before this court for the hearing of the motion on notice. Consequently, an order of interim injunction is hereby made restraining the defendant, respondent, whether by themselves or agents, privates, servants, workmen, and any person howsoever called acting on their behalf from trespassing into and interfering with the claimant's exclusive possession of the property. See, it has gotten to that point where they have to restrain Wike in Abuja. Can you just imagine how this person is going around doing all sorts of things because nobody can catch me, nobody can arrest me. Yes, I own Abuja, I'm the minister, so you can do anything that you like. That they have to put a restraining order on you when you no be leech, when you no be make I no talk am before they come and arrest me in my house. Because why? What kind of a person are you? They have to restrain you. Now, wow. He said the order subsisted pending the hearing and determination of the motion on the notice. In the same vein, prayer 2, 3, and 4 are granted as prayed, he added. Prayers. The judge, who directed that the motion on notice already filed before the court be served on all the defendants, adjourned the case until December 13 for a hearing of the substantive suit. In the motion ex parte dated and filed December 16, the applicant, Next Dora Nigeria Limited, sued Mr. Eric Anyamene Nnamdi, Hajia Bilikisu Malam, FCT Minister and Federal Capital Development Authority (FCDA) as first to fourth defendant, respectively. Imagine they carry Wike go court. Don't reach that level where they will have to carry you to court and have to restrain you. As a stubborn person that you are. It is well. The company sought 4 interim orders which were granted. The fourth relief is an order of interim injunction restraining the defendant from developing or assigning the property lying and situated at plot number 4411 Cadastral Zone A09, Guzape District, Abuja, which is coveted by a right of occupancy with file number MISC 128232 or any portion thereof to a third party pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. Probably he has not gotten to this judge, because for them to be judging rightfully like this one never collect land with that. He never build house for this one. Thank God. Now reports that the company, in a motion on notice filed on December 16 and marked CV/5517/24, had sued the 4 defendants, praying the court to bar them from selling its landed property, among others. The writ of summons sought 7 reliefs, including a declaration that the claimant is the title holder of the property lying and located at plot number 4411, Cadastral Zone A09, Guzape District, Abuja. Now, I don't understand how you are going after people's houses. These people have fear of us. These people have paid for this land. Why are you that man? I don't really understand him, the way he behaves. You collect people's land forcefully and then you'll be selling it or giving it to some people because they are your friends. What kind of a thing is that? Because you are the minister, you just be misbehaving anyhow you like. Kerry Tefemene says Wike is awful. Indeed. Engineer Dr. Kingsley C. Wakama says, do they obey court orders? We pray that they obey this one, because this one is always the one saying people don't obey court orders. He was even accusing Fubara of not obeying court order So hopefully we pray that this Mr. Wike, he obeys court order, because I don't understand. You are not above the law. They have the judges in their pockets. Before you can say Jack Robinson, Wike will tell you that he will not do, and nothing will happen. Abio, that's what he usually says. He will say he will take over the land, he will sell it, and nothing will happen. I pray that something happens to him this time around, because that man is always doing too much. He said he will do it and nothing will happen, and will always let heaven fall on his head. Not mine. It is that man. Hey, God knows the kind of planet he came from. Such a strong man he is. His wala is too much. He's just comfortable with causing problems. He's too comfortable causing problems. I don't understand that man and the kind of planet that he came from. Lucky Okposio says Wike and Tinubu madness must be checked. God take over. No be small thing, no, because the way they are moving in that place. People have bought land, people have paid, people have their CFO. Then you will go there and say they did not pay this one. And so because of that, you are revoking the land. You are giving them so weeks and that. And then you are collecting the land, you are selling it out to some other people. Why? People have been there for 40 years, 30 years. You just wake up one day and go and be revoking their land from them. As per say who you be. I don't get to that man. I don't understand him. Marcus Daniel Akoson says, better, cause sooner or later he'll be a disappearing element. I bet now. You cannot let stay in Abuja forever, but you want to cause havoc. You want to cause problems. You want to turn people to enter into the streets. Later you say you don't want beggars in Abuja. You don't want this one in Abuja. If you send them out of their house that they've paid for, if you demolish their houses, where do you expect them to move to? Heaven? Or they should move into your ministerial apartments with you? Because I don't understand. Ebuge Ayang says, UK is here to know that Abuja is not Port Harcourt. I hope so. They should show him, because I don't understand why he's behaving like that. Sunday Doko says, Wike the emperor, you go explain it higher. No evidence. I encourage those who is grabbing their land to go to court and fight their matter. Hopefully the court that they go to is not the one that he has them in his pockets. Because obviously this one, we don't even know if it's initial gra now. Before you know, they will still rule in his favor. They are just trying to deceive us so that they'll act as if, oh no, they are not going to rule in his favor. But at the end of the day, they'll actually do. Because he's building houses for them now. So what do you expect? Let's just hope that they stay true to this ruling by all means, because these people, their ways are not pure at all. Listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.